Who's ready for a walk? Oh, let me change. Let me turn on the light. Who's ready for a walk? Who's ready for a walk? No. Now this time, hold on. This time only one will walk with me. Okay, because I have to teach you guys. Okay? So, meeny, miny, mo. Okay. Let's do the walking with a Pomeranian first. Okay? Put. Sit. Okay. Okay. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. You ready? I'm sorry, Put. I'll see you later. We're gonna do the walk later. Come on, Put. I'm so confused of their names. Oh my god. What the hell? Who peed here? Somebody peed. Did you pee? Did you pee, Pooey? No? Is it your brother? Come here, come here. Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Let's do the walk. Let's do some walking. Come. 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 Do some walking. Come. Oops. He's peeing. He's peeing. Okay. I'll give you a treat. Hold on. Come. Come, Pooey, come. Come. Very good. Okay, come. Come. Here's the second dog. Put. Are you ready for a walk? Let's go. Let's go for scratching. Come. Put, come. My God. There you are. Let's go. Come. Put, come. Very good. Come. Put, come. Come here. Come. Uh-oh. I think he's gonna pee or poo. Oh, he's pooing, I guess. On the leash. On the fucking leash. Oh my god. You see, I actually trained them to poo on this surface right here, the grass surface. Obviously, I'm potty training them, and it seems like it's paying off well, especially Put, because I've been training them since day one that I got them, you know. Okay, very good. Come here. And I don't even have to give them treats or something.